Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Thuong. I'm here in Danang City, Vietnam. This video is the last video of 2023. Thank you everyone for always supporting us this year. This year has been a year of many changes for us. Come ride with me and talk about what we have been up to this past year. Let's go! The biggest change was that we planned to move to America to live. We have applied for US green card since February this year. We are still waiting but hope to be able to go to America next year. I think Cruz had told you this story in previous videos. We had to wait about more than a year to receive the visa. I'm very excited about my new life in America. I know the way of life there and in Vietnam are very different. I studied English, studied about American culture and way of life. And Cruz's family is very friendly. So I think I will get used to my new life quickly. Another thing is that Cruz had been back to the US since June. He is working very hard to prepare everything for us to live in the US. This is the longest time we have been apart. He will return to Vietnam in mid-January. After that, we will stay in Vietnam until we get a US visa. And I will tell you a new information. We bought a house in America. Yeah! And Cruz is rebuilding it, shows just why he always so busy. After returning to Vietnam, he will tell you more detail about that. Those are the two biggest changes of this year for Earth. How about you? How is your 2023? Everything was successful? Tell me in the comment, okay? Returning to the video topic, today I will be cycling in the Sunda Peninsula area, Danang City, introducing to you locations with beautiful views of this city and famous local food here. I think Danang is the best city in Vietnam. This place has clean beaches, hike mountains, and fresh air and safe traffic. It's very suitable for cycling. The cycling movement in Danang is very good. There are many cycling groups you can join at any time. But remember that the weather in the last months of the year is not good. From October to December, there are many rainy days, like today. At first, the weather was cloudy, but now it's raining. I think this area is a mountain, so it will rain. It probably won't rain in the city center. Come ride your bike into the city with me. and I will introduce to you a very famous food here. Like I said, it doesn't rain in the city center. Today, I will take you to a restaurant that sells broken rice. The Vietnamese name is Cơm Tấm. This restaurant is famous for its delicious food and not too expensive price. It was 5:30 p.m., so there was very few customers. The menu is very simple. They have pictures, price, and English, so it's easy to understand. Price for food here is from $2 to $4. I ordered a set of broken rice and soy milk. I paid $3.5 for this dinner. There are few customers now, so my food is finished very quickly. I waited for just a few minutes. Now, let's eat with me. Itadakimasu! While having dinner, it started to rain. I have to wash my bike today. Oh my god. I'm going home now. Thank you everyone for always following and supporting us. See you in the next video. Bye and Happy New Year!